to infinity and beyond. Why me, little? Why me, little? Why me, little? To infinity. Why me, little? To infinity and beyond.
Now listen up. We gotta cool this down before it spreads.
Why me, little? To infinity.
I'm gonna need some help. Now pull! Pull!
Why me, little?
TMST? This means serious trouble.
Transportation Management Safety Team.
Mr. Mayday, were you at the specified point of attack and applied an extinguishing agent within 3 minutes from the time of alarm?
Well, I didn't have time to look at the clock. Is that guy writing down everything I say?
Yes.
Well, so he just wrote that down?
Yes.
And that?
Yes.
And that?
Yes. Can you provide me with your self-inspection records and emergency procedure plans?
Oh, look now, we don't have many emergencies around here. Besides, we did get the fire out.
Is that your contingency plan, Mr. Mayday? Every time there's an incident, you topple a woman tower?
This was my fault. I clipped the tower. I flew out last night because
Dusty, it was an accident.
It's clear this airport has no plans for an emergency and equipment from last century. So, unless Mr. Mayday gets refurbished and acquires a second firefighting vehicle in accordance with CFR Title 14, Volume 3, Chapter 1, Section 139, Subparagraph B, I am pulling this airport certificate of operation for non-compliance of rescue and firefighting regulations.
Oh, Chevy.
Front Rock Junction just got shut down.
Go after runway. How can anybody land?
We can't. That's the
Well,
problem.
there goes the corn festival.
I already finished my corn cob costume.
Why me, little?
Down. Hotel's booked. This corn festival is what butters my corn.
We've already figured this out. Dottie, show 'em.